Hi everybody, look at this shower head. This has not been cleaned in 4 or 5 years, and you can see all the buildup and scale on those black shower nozzles. This video will show you how to get rid of this, make this like new in just a few hours with zero effort. It's super cheap, a few pennies of vinegar, and I will show you exactly how to do it. Okay, again, just drop it in there, make sure all the bubbles come out, make sure it's submerged. I come back in a couple hours and we'll see the difference. Actually, I wanted to show you this. This is a close-up within 30 seconds of putting the shower head in the vinegar. You can see all that action already going to work. Okay, here we are hours later. You can hear our beautiful German Shepherd Lucky Dog. She's having dinner. But I wanted to show you what this looks like coming out of the water. Looks like the nozzles here were extended. Someone must have played with it. But I'll do an after picture. All of that corrosion, all of that buildup actually is gone. And I'll just rinse this off and reinstall it. So it looks great after a few hours in just plain old household vinegar. So that's how easy it is. Just take your head off, soak it in vinegar, put it back on, and you'll have much better water flow, much better spray pattern, and you'll save yourself a ton of money and have the pride of doing it yourself. Hey, if this helps, give me a thumbs up. If you really want, hit subscribe. But thank you for watching. See ya. Oh wait. Here's the after shot.